Alright guys, today I want to go through one common issue that we get when we are shooting products like this wine glass on a white background. I have a glass already on the table, it's full of red wine, and I would like to get this beautiful white background product image. But there is an issue. Right now I have my lights already turned on. I have my side light, which is creating this beautiful gradient on the side of the glass, and also the backlight, which is illuminating my whole background, and also the glass and the leg and table and the reflection on the table. And that's basically all I need right now, only two lights. But when shooting like this, dark reflective product on a white table, and you try to get this beautiful crispy product image, let me show you what error we always run into when we are shooting like that. This glass, it doesn't look bad. It's nice, it's okay. We have this like gradient here. We have nice light on the leg. We have a reflection on the table. Overall look is pretty good, right? But what disturbs me the most all the time when I'm looking this kind of image is this gray area in bottom of the glass. This is not looking good. It's like the dark glass is picking up all the reflections from the room, and it's visible on the glass, which is like just horrible. When I need to deliver this kind of image to the client, then I'm sure they will not accept it and will send it back and asking for a reshoot. Obviously for a good reason, I would say. So I want to have this bottom area here as dark red as it is in the middle of the glass in here. So what can we do? First step would be, let's try to have flags. Let's add flags to increase the contrast on the image, and then we should maybe get it darker and get rid of this reflection. Let's try it out. Let's put these flags on the side of the glass, like here somewhere, slightly behind the glass, and let's take another image and let's see. Well, it gets better, it looks good. Beautiful, crispy, contrasty edge on both sides. It is looking right now different because my flags are in different distance from the glass. If I'm setting up these both evenly on both sides, let's see if it is like that. Like so. Let's take another one. And now we have the edges of the glass here. Those edges are even and it looks good. Everything else is good. We have a reflection on the table, we have nice leg, we have gradient on the glass, but still we have this ugly area in bottom of the glass, which I don't like. But for that, I have a solution. We can get rid of this reflection and we can get really nice, crispy wine glass with a red wine. Let me show you. Just one simple trick can fix our whole composition. This piece of black glass will fix our composition. It's strange that we should use like black surface on a white background image, but believe me, it will fix our composition. This is a piece of just transparent glass, painted black from one side, and the other side is then glossy surface. And give me a second, I will replace it and show you how it actually works. So let's take our wine glass off, also remove the flags, glossy side up, let's put it on the table, add in our glass. That's good enough. Flags are back in, and let's take the shot. What we have right now, let's go through just quickly. We have white background, we have a glass, contrasted edges, gradient on the side, reflection on the table, everything is there. It would be perfect image if we could get rid of this bottom reflection from the table. Now, check this out. Can you see the difference? Let's just zoom in and check it out. Let's put these side by side even, and then it's easier to explain. Yes. Now, check it out. We have everything the same as it was on the white background. We have the glass. Edges are nice, clean, contrasty. We still have the gradient the same as we had on the white background. And then even if we go now towards the bottom, we also have the reflection from the table. So we have pretty much everything we need, but in addition, we got this beautiful, crispy, clean glass. This is a simple trick that I use when I need to get rid of those reflections, and it works every time. Now, the only thing that I would say on the right image, I don't like that sharp edge over here, because this is coming from the shape of the glass. This is something that we can't do anything about it. That's the way the glass is built, and we need to live with that. But I can adjust our gradient just a little bit so it fades away more evenly and it's not so sharp as it is here, like this corner. This is not good. So I can just quickly fix that as well. For the fix, I just need this one, black foam core, and I will create a slight shadow in the bottom of my diffuser. Let's see if it's somewhere in here, not too close to the diffuser, because then it might get too sharp, but let's have it right here, like that. Check it out. This is nice. We have so beautiful fade off here in the bottom that, comparing to the last one, let's go take these side by side again, then the last one is much better than the previous. So this is my final image. This is the product image that I would send to the client, and I have everything I need in here. I have those edges, I have the gradient, this reflection on the side of the glass, I have nice dark red wine, and I have even the reflection on the table, which you would say that this is a like black table, how can you get the reflection looking like this? But it is, because this black surface, glossy surface, is acting like a mirror, and it picks up every reflection that is coming from the background. And therefore, as our background is white, large surface, then it will be like reflected onto the table, and we get a white background. Simple as that. So try it out. If you have any questions about this setup, or you want to know anything else I didn't cover maybe in this video, just let me know in the comments. Let's have a discussion in there. And in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.